Welcome back to this video. Quite a lot number of people does not know that most apps they have successful download and install on their phone actually spy on their contact, and as a result of that, this is one of the reasons why some of contacts are being leaked to scammers or telemarketer, or some of the reason why your number has been spread across internet. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to stop any apps from spying your contact on your phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open up my phone settings. The next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search right here. What you need to do is to simply type in permission manager. Then having typed in permission manager, what you need to do is click on permission manager right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply proceed to permission manager. Then it's going to take you right here. Now from this section right here, what you need to do is to navigate to contacts. Then it's going to take you right here. All apps that you have on your phone that spy on your contact is going to be found right here. You can scroll down and see them one after the other. So if you want to block any of the apps right here that is not really trusted, or you don't want them to have access to your contact, what you need to do is to simply click on the app. You have to click on the app, it's secure right here. You can see contact permission, contact access for this app, which is allowed. So what you need to do is to switch from allow to don't allow. With that, the app will no longer have access to spy on your contact or leak your contact information across the web or across the app. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value from this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.